Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 5 and for the assignment on Innovation in Waste Management System, we will be presenting on Pneumatic Waste Collection System. My name is NADHIRAH and joining me are my group members NURULFATHNIN IFFAH, Nurul Iman and NORALIA NADIRA. Historically, the Pneumatic Waste Collection System is a waste management initiative that starts in Sweden in the early 1950s. The first vacuum waste system in the world was installed in 1961 in Sollefteå Hospital, Stockholm. The hospital management were originally brainstorming a new central dust vacuum system when they figured that if it could work for dust, it would probably work for waste. The system is still in operation today with many original parts from the early 1960s. However, the first vacuum system for household waste in the world was launched in 1967 in the completely new residential district of Orrhollen-Bergen. The system is also still in operation today. EFFAH, the Swedish company that pioneers the waste collection system, has now expanded worldwide and its technology can be seen in new development infrastructures in 44 cities including Seoul, Doha, Barcelona, Bergen, Roosevelt Island, Singapore, China and other richer parts of the world.
Let's move on to the idea of the innovation. Pneumatic pipe system consists of load stations, temporary storage, air intake, discharge valve, vacuum pipe network, and central waste handling facility which have vacuum plant and seal container. The throw points or load stations are positioned within buildings and private spaces where waste enters the pneumatic waste collection system pipe network. The tubes connect all the levels of the buildings to the discharge valves in the basements. The computer system controls the opening and closing of the doors automatically, and the option of using a level sensor to indicate a threshold achieved is also included. After that, the waste will enter the center waste handling facility and compressed by waste compressor. To ensure dust-free and odorless operation, the air that carries the waste is treated in multi-stage filtering system. Once the waste container is full, the container is moved by a conveyor and a truck transports it away for final treatment.
There are several advantages of this system. Firstly, for user, the service will be available 24/7. They will also improve the public hygiene condition due to direct disposal of waste from residential area. The inlet for waste deposition are also safe, ergonomic, and accessible for every user, including those with physical limitation. Next, for the safety, they allow selective collection at the source since waste can be separated and disposed in different fractions. They are also more clean and environmental friendly due to the fact the waste collection trucks are taken out of the city, reducing the noise and air pollution from the carbon dioxide emission. The lack of waste collection truck also reduces traffic within the city, creating an image of responsible, neat, and compromising with the environment for the city. Lastly, for the economy, this innovation will save the user and the city in the urban cleaning costs as there is a reduction in waste collection operational costs. The truck takes just one trip from the collection point to the dump or recycling facility instead of making the rounds and stopping at every home and business in the neighborhood. This new infrastructure has also allowed the city keep track of waste production by each location or building and implementing a pay-as-you-throw tax scheme which charges residents based on the amount of waste they generate. According to Carl John Everhold, the heads of Bergen Waste Management Department from one of the city implementing this innovation, the user will unconsciously take an initiative to sort and reduce the amount of waste generated in order to reduce the tax.
In a nutshell, the pneumatic waste collection system is a game changer in urban waste management. The growing importance of sustainability and the need to reduce the impact of waste in our cities give this technology a clear future. We look at how this innovative system could increase efficiency, reduce environmental impact, and create cleaner and smarter cities. From the ease of transporting waste through underground pipelines to the reduction of carbon emission, the benefits are undeniable. It is recommended that to improve the technology's utilization, More research should be done on the limitations that have been identified, such as pipe failures and energy consumption. Furthermore, this technology is recommended to be widely used in all buildings such as residential areas, commercial places, offices, and many more, so that we can put into practice a better waste management in Malaysia. That's all from us, and thank you for listening.